Anyong mga Chingu. So may question tayo from our beautiful Chingu, Miss G. Ano daw ba ang mangyayari sa mga unit owners kung sakaling i-demolish na yung condo? So actually, nasagot ko na yung question na yon from our previous videos. Hindi lang talaga siya nagkasya sa 1-minute video. There are 3 factors na kailangan i-met bago i-demolish yung building.
Number 1, recommendation from city engineers.
So after 50 years and then upon checking ng city engineers,
at pag nakita nilang hindi na structurally fit yung building.
Number 2, obsolete na yung building. Meaning to say, sobrang luma na ng building at talagang unfit na siyang tirahan. Number 3, majority of the unit owners or shareholder are opposed for the restoration of the building. And if all the factors are met,
Doon na di-demolish yung building. But don't worry, Chingu. As a unit owner and shareholder, you will have your own share from the sale or if ever na ipapatayo ulit yung building. Okay?
I hope nasagot ko yung question mo, Chingu. Ito ang inyong Chingu, Chingu the Broker, basta lisensyado, garantisado!